Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Durjan Hafeez. Today it's gonna be an interesting vlog, another interesting vlog, because I'm cooking biryani, not only for my host family but also for YFU organization, which is my placement organization. So they have arranged a meeting for all the exchange students who are living in Maryland and Virginia and Washington DC, of course. So we will be meeting tomorrow, but I'm cooking biryani one day before because I don't want to get late tomorrow. So I'll be cooking it with my family. They will be, of course, helping me, and they will be tasting it, and let's see what will be their reaction and the people who are gonna taste it tomorrow. I'm very excited, so let's see what happens, and I'll be showing you people everything I do here to make biryani. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not sure what's gonna be the taste like, whether they're gonna like it or not, but I will try my best. And yeah, that's it. Let's go. So this is what we've started from. We have garlic, we have tomatoes. Amelia is already peeling off the garlic. Yeah, we have ginger and pepper. I'm not gonna make it too spicy because not many people here like spicy things. Yeah, Amelia does not like that. So we have the spices here, which I brought from Pakistan. Time to cut the tomatoes. First I'll just wash them.
Don't cut yourself. You do it multiple times.
Always this like is easier.
Make it like this. Okay. And we can grind it, but it's always another fun way to do this kind of thing. That's
it's easier. It's much more fun.
Exactly. So you see.
The mix? Yeah, I know that. I think. Yes.
Separately
with sauce, that you don't make it like finish. Then you mix the rice.
Yeah. You know, the thing that why we make the rice, like we cook it separately, is because we put some of the things, like maybe they're not present here, but it's really not that much a matter. The thing is that at the end you mix both of them, like the rice and like the chicken. Yeah. So this is our chicken for our biryani. We have made almost everything before even started cooking. So we have our tomatoes ready. It's so disorganized, but I think I will need more tomatoes. I'm not really sure, but we have the tomato sauce, so we can put if we need any extra. This is garlic and ginger. This is these are the pepper. But I'm not gonna put many because I know that not many people like spices here. And we have the spices ready as well. So we're good with almost everything. That's seasoning, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna add that. But let's see if that's if.
Wait, is it in the recipe?
No, it's not in the recipe. But I'm not really. I don't know what exactly is this. Like, what is this for?
Seasoning.
Okay guys, an update from my side is that our chicken is almost ready. It just need to wait a little bit, and then we can just start putting every other thing that we have. We're done with this chicken, and now it's the time for the rice. We have the rice here. I soaked it for a while I guess it should be good by now. And then I'll be putting the rice here, and as the rice gets soft, I'll put everything together and blend them in one pot here. I guess this would be fine. I'm not really sure what's gonna be the taste like, but hopefully my parents here, they're gonna like it, and I hope that it's not gonna be spicy, so let's see. Okay, so here we have, this is the water for rice. I don't know what I just put inside it. I put the black pepper and coriander in it and something else, I don't know. So far so good. I'm so glad that I've made it till here. First time cooking myself without anybody's help. Like here, of course, my family here helped me, but they don't know the recipe. I am the only person who knows it, but they're at home back in my country. My mom was there to help me all the time. Yeah, but I'm feeling good that I'm trying my best here, doing things. I've made so many blunders, but I've just, ignored them because it was the first time cooking. But everything has been going well. I'm making some food coloring for it. It's good, but we need to wait a little bit for it more to so that it gets softened completely. Time to open the lid and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's good. The color, the mixture, everything. I guess I did do good, tried my best, and here it is, our biryani ready. This is what I will be taking for tomorrow. Yeah, we're putting the stuff, the biryani in it, and then the meat as well, so that I can take it tomorrow with me. Okay guys, that was it for today. I really tried my best to make the best biryani in America for the first time. But the thing is that I tried my best, but the color and the taste is not like as usual, we have it in Pakistan. Part of the reason is because the light is blinking. Part of the reason is because of the spices, because in Pakistan we put too much spices, and also because the measurements as well. Here I was not really sure of the measurements that I was taking, and the rice was too much. It also got very softened unexpectedly, and but I was glad that I did it. I'm still wearing the apron. So that was it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you people enjoyed that. See you in the next video. Bye bye.